Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video, we're going to look at the DOS rename command, and looking at the help, we can either do rename or the short version REN. Notice there are really no options here. You give it the file name, current file name, and then the new file name. With the new name, there's no path or anything because you're not moving the command, you're just changing the name. So this is one of the simplest commands you can use. So I have a file called findme1, and I want .text, and I want to rename it. So I'm going to take findme1, and I'm going to rename it. And I'm going to rename it to another file, .txt, and that renames it. If I do a directory now, I can see another file is there. I can rename groups of files using wildcards. So if I rename everything that starts with test, and I rename it to test, or actually, let's say I keep it the same file name part, use an asterisk there, and give a different extension. If I now look at a directory, all three of the test files now have an OLD extension. It kept the same file name, and I did that because I used the wildcard characters, the asterisks, to rename a group of files. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.